Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About s to the power of 8, that is about s to the power of 4 to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to s to the power of 4. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. And you got about 4s to the power of 3 ds. Next, because we don't have number 4, so we need to divide both sides by number 4. Next, this one we change by u. S to the power of 3 ds we change by the u over number 4. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we need to put about u equals to 1 over 3 sine t. Because if I put this one go in here, we have 1 over 9 sine t square. Number 9, we can simplify 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square. And later that, we simplify the square root and du. Now, if we do first derivative for the both sides, you got about 1 over 3 cosine t dt. So I will put this one go in here. This one we change by this one. So this one we have 1 over 9 sine t square. Number 9, we simplify. One minus sine t square, we change cosine t square. The square root of cosine t square, we change cosine t. Cosine t, we need to simplify, and you got about 1 over 3 dt. Number 3 and number 4, we have 1 over 12. The integration of dt, we have t. And then we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we put number 3 go to the left. And we got about t equal to r sine of 3u. And then I will put this one to change for t. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.